NANI?!
I'll be upgrading my laptop's drive to an SSD, please.
Why would you upgrade to an SSD?
Compared to an HDD, an SSD can perform up to 16 times faster in sequential reads and writes. But wait, there's more. Sequential read and write speeds only translates for large file transfers. Meanwhile, on random read and write speeds, it can go up to 76 times faster, which means faster boot up, loading times, and generally everything.
Wait, what's an SSD anyway?
Oh, sorry, I went too fast there. Fast. Let's get back to the basics. An HDD, or a hard disk drive, as the name implies, includes a disk with a magnetic surface where data can be stored. The disk is spun and the data is read or written by the magnetic head, which is moved by the actuator. On the other hand, an SSD, or solid-state drives, stores data in solid-state flash memories with no moving parts.
Any specific brand?
Actually, we've been using Western Digital since then, and it's a brand that I can trust. Also, they have a wide array of products for storages.
What are the colors for?
Western Digital color-coded their product lineup to easily categorize our storage needs. Green is for light computing, like online studying and casual internet browsing. Blue is for creative professionals who need fast grabbing during photo and video editing. Black is for gamers that needs real-time, high-speed level and texture loading. Red is for network-attached storage servers that can withstand heat, vibration, and always-on environment. Purple is for high-capacity 24/7 CCTVs and video surveillance systems. And lastly, gold is for enterprise-class storage systems.
So you're going for the black?
It will help my games in loading levels and textures much faster so that the game won't glitch out.
So what's the catch?
Well, with great power comes great price. The catch is price. An SSD can cost twice as much as an HDD for the same capacity, but the performance outweighs the cost. So we're technically buying the precious time here. So is it a yes?
Is it a yes, Daddy? Yes! Yes, Daddy.
Yes! SSD can perform up But wait! There's more! Also, they have a wider range. Also, they have a wider range. Array! 3, 2.
Water
Sige. Focus. Got a very big D. What a big black disc.